Because, girl, I have money to do liposuction so I can eat off all 3 pound of rice. I have money to do liposuction so I can eat all 10 pound of rice. Because all of them creases have got to go. It's not staying with me. Cutie, move your nasty blood clot. Cutie, go take the blood clot box them out of your fridge. Pure artificial. You have artificial oxtail, you have artificial curry goat, you have artificial fish. Cutie, your fridge sign contract with a microwave. Your fridge don't, there's nothing can come out of your fridge and go in the sink and thaw out for season. You don't have no Maggi on purpose, you don't have no Maggi chicken season because you don't cook. Now they say pure artificial box inside of your fridge. Cutie, yuck your class, no.
Start over Batman alive.
You want broccoli, everybody want carrots for see. You want cabbage,
no, me just
you
miss
want
everything.
string bean, you want all different types of
nice
things to nourish your body. Today is Sunday, Cutie, you're supposed to have on decoration pot. You see, you pot them,
Batman across you people them for
then
last
supposed to
night.
do one side and all the rice and to scrape out and cover them in a cover dish and put aside the kitchen for cleaning. 8 o'clock,
So them all chatting.
8 o'clock in a night, me make you clean your kitchen. Cutie, you should have shaved about life and I use towel and wipe off counter. Cutie, that don't make no sense. So you say you're a hot girl. Cutie, you're zero girl. You don't make no blood clot sex. Cutie, me never put my mouth on one body yet. Me not do rare. Cutie, me not do blood clot rare. Period. Me clean. Me I want clean body. Me have OCD. Cutie. Me not run certain. Put my mouth on a bottom yet. Me not do them something. Me not start blue movie. I'm me not freaking king. You see, ace or base and this. Always think it to me.
You know, you can't chat to me. You can't chat to me. Member say, run up and down. Dirty batty boy. Let me find the blood clot video for you again. Let me get the name. May I get the name of the blood clot? Cutie, you need a show 2022. May I tell you? Definitely. What the batty boy video name with the chopping sitting? Hold on, let me see it here. I'm gonna find it. Call it back. Thank you. Okay, back. Make the dirty fish stand over there, so nobody know about the dirty fish. Do you know when you can defend this, then come chat to me. Chop him in and blood clot. Chop him in and blood clot and take the money. Money come off. Chop your blood clot and take the scamming money. But you tell Erica, bring the blood clot as it comes. Your mother couldn't save you. Move your blood clot. Pussy wall. Fuck you. You chat to blood clot much. Dirty blood clot, you know. When you can't defend that, then come back, come chat to blood clot me. After you know blood clot woman. You feel like you can blood clot have strength to me. Dirty boy. Got defend blood clot that. I don't give a fuck. You could have all till that kingdom blood clot come. You still hear same defending lady. You come over your type. You hear nothing about defending that. I don't hear nothing about it get defend. I know you do blood clot defend it. You do blood clot defend it. Go suck your mother and come off from my live. You and Dino flap. Go ahead. You and blood clot Dino over there so broke like dog. And I broke Batman. Not now go on phone now. And soon I name turkey tail pants and blood clot. And then I tell people about it's oxtail. Go to the name of the video. Fight for lottery scam money. Okay? And body done. Done. See there. Done. I turn on my camera and get it phone. See ya. Screenshot it. Yeah. Put it up. And that more see a blood clot. If you chat too much, dirty body boy. Go brush your blood clot shit up mouth. Your tongue full of shit. Appear shit there between your blood clot teeth. Brighter out of that. But Cutie, write my name. So if I write your blood clot name, what you gonna do about it? Shut the fuck up, bitch. You live all the way over there. So what the fuck you gonna do about it? Nothing. Shut up. Move and go. Go call blood clot Erica for defend it. I'm gonna rob Erica blood clot because she never even did bring the blood clot acid for defend you. She never blood clot bring the get fight for lottery scam money. That me say. Get fight for lottery scam money. Bright and out around. No go Google the dirty blood clot boy. I come tell me about an old video. An old video and him still sit down on the old blood clot leak. When you defend that dirty batty boy, then you come chat to me. You bright and out around E. Dirty boy. Shut in your blood clot head. Anyway, it's Sunday. And yeah, that's it. See that? It's Sunday. And not only because in drama out, let me come unsigned. Oh my gosh, I love my hair. Yeah, so we're about to end the live and stop there. I ain't got time for this. I shouldn't even really answer this fish, to be honest. So it is what it is. So anyway, guys, I love y'all and leave y'all. And I'm going back into my comfort zone. Unfortunately, that's me. But me not here, not tracing over here. Girl, it night, go sleep. Don't worry about me, girl. Me not trace. Especially I don't trace with girl with pussy bigger than mine. Remember, Dina pussy bigger than mine. Remember, Dina pussy bigger than mine. You need a stop leak car. Remember, a tampax in where and a pad me where it is what it is. So there ain't no tracing. I just say facts. You want to hear people just chat about the story and tell lie. I don't do that. Yes, I won't be arguing with anyone else. Definitely not. But like I said, as an cancer me, I have like every other argument coming out of time for them. They're not on my level. But I had to set the record straight. Reason 4, I don't think no man with them 2 blood clot ever bows. We're not going with nothing in a blood clot foreign and they are foreign from when to open them out to me. I don't think the man where I use them tongue a clean bottom should have opened them out to me. You understand? I'm not going to have that. You understand? Like you coming to know. Bona come over your suffer. Girl, I definitely know why your life. Remember, you upon my blood clot live. Yeah? Remember, I want to come over here upon my life. So, I wouldn't want your life. You're pathetic. Anybody will come over here type it. You're more pathetic than anyone else right now. Yeah? I definitely don't want your life. But anyway, guys, I'm going to love y'all and leave y'all. Haven't got time for it. Yeah? Because I can. Unfortunately, because I can. Unlike some of you lot, you can't do it. And I just saying I want blood clot accent and tap the part 1 done. Because I can. So I do it. Hell yeah.